Behind me we have this GT500 bumper. I got it all prepped and masked up. It's ready for paint. We got the color right here. I also have the color of my gun, so we're gonna do a spray out and make sure it matches. And then if everything looks good, we're gonna get paint on this bumper. Okay, so this blue tape here is the 3M fine line tape. That's kind of meant for just edging stuff off or masking, you know, fine lines. This is used to create a nice crisp line on the bumper, and then just the normal masking tape to cover up the plastic. We're also going to be putting the links in the description of all the products we've used on this bumper. So if you are interested in that, you can check that out also. Getting the bumper off, and we're installing this new MP Concepts bumper. Just taking the 8mm screws out of the top. Normally would be clipped in and the screw over here, but these were actually broken off, so not much there. And then the bottom, you just have a few clips on the corners, and then you have some bolts here holding in the bottom section. And other than that, you have 3 wires connecting to both sides, 3 on this side, 3 on that side for the lights, and that's basically it. Now we need to transfer these brackets with the lights to the brackets that we have over there, and then put them on that bumper. So I guess we don't have that lower fog light on the new bumper, but it'll actually probably look better without it. So I'm just getting this lower grill installed right now, getting these screws in here. You want to start from the center and work your way out, because if you do the opposite, you'll kind of bow the plastic and then it's not going to go on right. Make sure they all line up right, and then snap them in. Got to make sure all of them are lined into the holes first. Transferring these little clips from the original bumper so we can bolt the splash shield up to this. This is a little winglet. It's like an additional part to the front lip. Deflects the air a little bit differently. It looks pretty cool.
Bro, insane.
Just trying to get these little push clips popped out of here, and then I'm going to transfer this seal onto the new bumper because it doesn't come with a new one. We're about to get the bumper on right now. We just need to make sure that the top gets hooked onto these first, and then we're going to guide the sides and then connect them onto the fenders. I'm zip tying up the connector for the old fog light because I don't want it to just dangle, because you could probably see it through there. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try to scoot the whole core support out like a few millimeters so I can get a bigger gap against the hood and the edge of the bumper right there. That's better.
Yes, absolutely.
That's better.
OEM Plus, baby, let's go.
I just didn't want it to, like, when it vibrates, I didn't want it to rub right there and the paint, so that should be good.